Not only as a food ingredient, the benefits of breadfruit are also believed to be able to treat and prevent certain diseases. Breadfruit is a tropical fruit that looks like a jackfruit at a glance. However, breadfruit has white flesh that is soft and sweet. Breadfruit is popular because it can be processed into a variety of delicious snacks, such as fried breadfruit, chips, and compote. In fact, not infrequently breadfruit is also processed into flour for other cooking ingredients. Breadfruit contains a variety of important nutrients for the body. The following are some types of nutrients contained in it: complex carbs, protein, fiber, water minerals, such as potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus vitamins, such as B vitamins, vitamin C, beta-carotene, riboflavin, and niacin. In addition, breadfruit also contains high antioxidants thanks to the content of flavonoids and polyphenols in it. When compared to other carbohydrate sources, such as rice and potatoes, breadfruit contains more and more complete minerals and vitamins, but has a lower caloric value. This makes breadfruit suitable for consumption as a diet food. In addition to the fruit, which is rich in nutrients, the leaves, stems and roots of breadfruit can also provide health benefits. The following are some of the benefits of breadfruit that you need to know. 1. Lowers blood sugar. Based on a study on experimental animals, it is known that breadfruit can lower blood sugar levels and prevent it from remaining stable. In addition, breadfruit also has a low glycemic index, which is 23 to 60. That way, the consumption of breadfruit will not quickly affect the increase in blood sugar levels. This finding also shows that breadfruit has potential as a treatment for diabetics. However, further research is still needed to confirm these claims. 2. Meet the needs of a gluten-free diet. Breadfruit is suitable as an alternative food for people who avoid gluten intake. This is because breadfruit does not contain gluten, making it suitable for people who are sensitive to these ingredients, such as people with celiac disease. 3. Reduce inflammation. Studies show that the antioxidant content in breadfruit can reduce the activity of body cells that play a role in the inflammatory process. In addition, breadfruit leaf extract is also effective in reducing swelling that occurs due to inflammation. Once again, the study is still limited to experimental animals and requires further research. 4. Protects heart health. A study revealed that the benefits of breadfruit can reduce the risk of heart disease. This is thought to come from the antioxidant content in breadfruit, which can reduce bad cholesterol in the blood, prevent blockages in the heart blood vessels, and lower blood pressure. 5. Improve eye health. The next benefit of breadfruit is to support eye health because of the carotenoid content in it. Foods rich in carotenoids, such as breadfruit, are thought to protect healthy cells in the eyes and prevent macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness. Breadfruit is good for health. However, you should not consume it in excess, because it can increase the risk of bleeding and low blood pressure, especially in people who are taking antihypertensive drugs. Although it has been widely studied, but clinically the benefits of breadfruit as a disease treatment cannot be ascertained. Therefore, consult your doctor first if you want to use breadfruit as a companion to the treatment you are undergoing.